Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your TikTok video after you've uploaded it. TikTok is strict with what you can do after you've uploaded your video. Even if it's just adding a description, adding a music or adding a text, TikTok is strict with that. You can hardly do that on TikTok, unlike YouTube where you're given the chance to edit your video after you've uploaded it, like cutting the video, adding a new music and every other thing. But in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually edit your video after you've already posted it on TikTok. So make sure you watch to the end of this video, and also if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you open your TikTok app, you launch into your TikTok app. So guys, let's say for instance you just uploaded this video over here, and you just found out that there is a music that you didn't add, or maybe you didn't add a text, or maybe you didn't use the particular effect that you want to use. Normally if you want to do that, people always want to tap on that three dots over there. Look at it there, tap on it. So guys, the unfortunate thing is that when you go through all this option, there is no option for you to actually edit this video, like change your description and every other thing. So what you have to do now, let me show you what you have to do. What you have to do now is to tap on save. You can see the save video, just tap on save. And see guys, the video is saving. So guys, as you can see, this video has been saved to our gallery. Let's go over to our gallery to confirm it if it's there already. Let me go over to my gallery here. So guys, you can see now the video is already here in my gallery. This is the video. So what you're going to do next is to go over to your TikTok again. Go over to your TikTok app. Then you go over to your home page. Then you tap on the plus icon. You can see the plus icon over there. Tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on upload. You can see the upload icon. Tap on it. So what you have to do next is to tap on the video you just saved to your phone, the one you just saved. Tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to add the music that you initially wanted to add that you forgot to add, and also add the effects that you want to add. You can add the effects that you want to add here. Just go ahead to choose the effects that you want to choose. Let me go for this one. Okay, I've added an effect. Then you tap on save. Let's say this is the effects that you wanted to add. So guys, once you're done with this, then you tap on next. So guys, over here you can add the description you want. Maybe you omitted a word, you can go ahead to correct the mistake. Then you can add the hashtags that you want to add as well. Then once you're done, you tap on post. So guys, as you can see, our video is being uploaded. You can see it there, 96%. Wow guys, you can see the video has been posted. So guys, the next thing that you have to do now is to go over to your TikTok profile again. Tap on your TikTok profile icon at the bottom right corner. So guys, you can see now you have two of those videos. All you have to do now is to go over to the former video. You tap on it. Then you tap on the three dots below. You tap on it. Then you tap on delete. You go over to the delete section. You can see the delete section over here. You tap on it. So guys, all you have to do now is to tap on delete. Then after that, a confirm button is going to show. Then you tap on confirm. So guys, after you've done this now, the older video which has the mistake in it will be deleted. Then you have just the edited one here. You've imputed the correct description, effects and every other thing. So guys, I've come to the end of this video, and I believe you've got value from it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.